Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video is another Hot Wheel video, and we're going to be unboxing something super awesome that just came in. These are a couple of RLC cars. If you don't know what RLC is, it's the Red Line Club, and it's one of the newest ones that just came out. RLC cars do come out periodically, so if you do want to pick one of these up, it's already too late. So there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can go check out. I use Mercari. There's also eBay and other like selling sites, but Mercari has a lot of awesome, great variety, and everybody's posting all kinds of stuff on there. So definitely check out link in the description down below. Also, when you make your first purchase, I believe you get like $10 back on your account. So definitely go to Mercari and check them out. And you never know, you might be able to pick up exactly what I'm about to open up. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I've already removed the label so that obviously you guys can't see anything, but I have not opened this up. I'm a little concerned because the box is a little damaged right there, so hopefully that's not bad. And right there inside we got both of the cars. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out, set this aside. These are both exactly the same, and it is, as you can see, Dodge Tradesman. So I'm going to, let's see, I'll probably open up this one. And when it comes to these RLC cars, or like the Red Line Club, it is okay to kind of have these open. You obviously want to see the condition. So this is the first time for me actually seeing this. So it's going to be pretty awesome. Already got a super good looking box right there. That looks so cool. And already I can kind of feel on the bottom as a sticker. It's out of 30,000. I don't know if you can see that. It's at 7,963 out of 30,000. So that's a pretty low number. But I do love these RLC cards that are numbered. Sometimes they're not numbered and a lot of people get them. Who knows what the exact number is. These limited ones are going to be pretty cool. And let's go ahead and check this out. Wow, that looks so good right there. That purple looks absolutely amazing, especially in that lighting right there. Wow, that is incredible. And then those tires look really good. There's a lot of detail on those. Like, this is such a nice spec. Well, I got that little teardrop window there in the back. Let's go and check out the back of the van and kind of see like the license plate right there. It says Rockin' on the front, and it's the same plate on the back. I think this looks really cool, and then the side's exactly the same, but it doesn't have like little decals up in the corners. But yeah, this van is incredible looking, a lot of detail, and it looks so good. And it does look like the back door's open, and actually it looks like the side door's open as well. So I'm not going to fully open this thing up, and actually, you know what? Let's do it. Let's go ahead and open this thing up carefully, because it's just a couple plastic tabs. This is nothing that's going to be like permanently destroying the package. If it comes off carefully, then I will open this up. All right, and there we go. There's a little piece of plastic that sits right in there as well. But wow, this thing looks absolutely incredible without the case on it. I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to fingerprint it or anything. But let me show you guys that a little bit closer now without the big case on there. Like you can see, like that paint looks incredible. The tires look amazing. All the attention to detail. There we go. Wow, this car looks insane. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And did you guys pick one of these up when they went live? I think it was like a couple months ago. So it took a little bit before they came in. But let me know if you guys picked one of these up. Or if you're maybe interested in one of these, check out my link in the description down below. Hop on to Mercari. And if you purchase one or anything, then you get a $10 kickback. And then when you sell like your first $100 worth of stuff on Mercari, then you can get like an additional $20 back. So yeah, there's definitely motivation. It's like free money on your account, so why wouldn't you? So definitely go check out the link in the description down below. But also I did notice that the sunroof is even kind of open a little bit right there too, which looks cool. But let me show you guys the back doors here. Just going to try to carefully open this, because I can tell that they do open for sure. And right there. And you can see right inside, I don't know if the lighting is going to be able to really show you guys that. But pretty much there's just like a flat bed. It's just kind of like purple. It has like some pillows sitting there. And it almost looks like there's some like padding on the inside of the door panel there. But what an awesome casting. But also you can see like the side doors look like they also open. So I'm going to see if I can pop those open as well and show you guys what it looks like from the side. There we go. Wow, that's really cool. All right, let's see if I can show you guys that. Maybe if I can get the lighting just right. There's like a little sofa there in the back. There's like a little carpet in the middle there. You see like a little plush padding looking stuff on the inside of the door. How cool is that? Like this van with the back doors open, the side doors. Man, this thing is absolutely amazing. So this is what you get when you get Hot Wheels RLC cars. You get that amazing quality. You get functioning doors, sometimes they have hoods that open up. And man, what an amazing, awesome RLC car. So I'm going to go ahead and close this all back up. Make sure there's no like fingerprints on anything. And then we're going to go ahead and put that acrylic case back on. And just like that, back to the original. No packaging was damaged or anything. It's perfectly fine. But man, this is so awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the description down below. I absolutely love this car. This is such an awesome RLC exclusive. And yeah, this is the type of Hot Wheels that I love collecting. This is what I have, like a bunch of different RLC cars. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Check out the link on my car. You can maybe pick up this exact one right here, or pick up the other one I have sitting here, or maybe you can buy it from somebody else. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.